So hello everyone, welcome to YourPedia platform. So my today video is related to the Maharashtra Public Service Commission recruitment of this principal, ITI principal for the ITI institutes. Now for the skill development institutes. So now there are so many students who are having the query related to the education qualification and the eligibility criteria, especially related to the experience job. So before I move forward, let me tell you that YourPedia is the platform who have provided the ITI Principal, Vice Principal modules for so many states. For Andhra we provided, for Haryana we provided, for just recently for Bihar Public Service Commission we provided, for Madhya Pradesh we provided, and we provided a very good module and given so many selections. Recording of those selection videos are already available on the YourPedia YouTube channel. You can listen to them and you can check that what quality we provided. And definitely yes, especially अगर मैं बात करूँ हरियाणा के लिए, because that is a Hindi speaking state and we are based in sector 34 Chandigarh, and the nearby states modules we cater on the Engineers Career Point channel. So you can visit that channel, Engineers Career Point, and you check the quality of the lectures, you can check the content, you can go through there. So for Maharashtra Public Service Commission at that time also, when this advertisement came last time in December 2023, then also so many candidates approached us to launch the module for this thing. We were not ready at that particular time, but when the syllabus changed for this particular exam in the last recruitment, which I suppose that it was not completed, so candidate approached us, sir, please provide the module for this thing, and nobody is there pan India who is providing the best module other than YourPedia. So we are launching the module for this thing, for this particular job profile. We are launching the module. And now what you have to do, if you are interested for the module, definitely some students are asking for the demo. Soon you will get the demo lectures for that. Maybe tomorrow, day after tomorrow, you will get the demo lectures for that also. From there you will get to know about the quality content of the YourPedia. And next, what you have to do, you have to fill the Google form which is available in the description of the video, so that you can discuss with the executive about all the things related to the module. And you can join one free WhatsApp group where all the information related to this particular exam preparation, maybe some free notes we can also provide over there, relevant document, the relevant discussion we can do over there. All mentors will be there and you can discuss with them. And main module will be run by mentored by Dr. Vijayendra. He is going to take majority of the this topics which is as per this syllabus. Now let to the main point. Now what you have to do, you have to fill the Google form. Link is available in the description of the video. You can also join the free WhatsApp group what we created. Link is also available in the description of the video. Now come to the eligibility criteria part. Now you need to understand that what this type of job is. This is a job of a principal, IT vice principal and principal job. Now first of all, the education qualification criteria they have told over here. The minimum education qualification criteria is diploma in engineering. So you should have done diploma. There is not any criteria of branch, mechanical, civil, EC, electrical, computer science, textile, all branches are eligible. So minimum education qualification, either you should have the diploma in BTech, diploma in engineering or technology, or at least in second class. Now come to this education qualification criteria. So minimum education qualification, diploma in engineering or technology, at least in second class is required. So doubt here is coming to the candidates. So BTech is eligible? Yes, BTech is eligible, because they have not mentioned that diploma in engineering is required. They have mentioned minimum education qualification is diploma or in engineering or technology is required. Means all BTech, all MTech, everyone, all PhD holders, all are eligible for this thing. Now come to the experience part. A work experience of professional or teaching or administrative cadre, A, not less than 2 years if you have possessing a degree. Means if you have done BTech or more than BTech, if you have the qualification, then 2-year experience is required. And if you are holding only the diploma, then in that case you require a 6-year experience in that, in the government or semi-government or private established or any corporation or any other institute. Now here is the doubt, sir, what is the meaning of this professional? What is the meaning of this teaching? What is the meaning of this administrative? See, professional is your industrial job, it's clear. If you're doing any job which is related to the technical things, engineering things, in any of the department, maybe design, maybe your testing, maybe your maintenance, it should be there. You need to understand, you need to link the things that this is the job of principal, ITI principal, vice principal, administrative job is there. So they will want that your work experience to be related to that particular domain only. So what are the roles of principal or vice principal in any ITI? So roles are, they have to manage the things, they have to manage the thing academic wise and management wise also. So those skills are required. So your experience should be in those particular domain only. So professional means your industrial experience. Teaching means you are doing teaching in any of the BTech college or diploma college. You all are eligible, or maybe in a private institute also you are eligible. And administrative. Now here the problem is the what type of administrative job. Again, the job which are somewhere near to your technical jobs. You are not doing the direct technical job. You are not teaching the technical subject. You are not doing job in the industry. Technical job means, let us suppose your production or design for things. You are not doing that, but you are in the management profile, but you are managing the technical things, right? Got my point? Let us suppose you are principal in let us suppose in any of the diploma college. You all are eligible. Now principal is not teaching, let us suppose, then but you are managing the technical things, then you will be eligible. Now let us suppose you are a BTech holder, but you are doing a job of, let us suppose, marketing. Now what type of marketing you are doing? Now marketing related to your technical things or marketing related to the non-engineering things. Now here is the difference, right? So I think I cleared all your points. Means what type of experience you should have, that should be linked with that particular job. Then only you will be eligible, then only they will accept it, but otherwise it will be cleared at the time of DV only. But still, if you are having any query that you want to know that, sir, what type of I am eligible for that particular job or not, what you can do, you can put the comment in the this video. After this video, you can put in the comment box that sir, I am doing this type of job, am I eligible for this or not? We will reply over there, because there are so many different types of works are going on and you are doing different types of work. So if you are anywhere, if you are having any doubt related to your eligibility criteria on the experience part, you put in the comment box. We will reply you that what are your chances of this eligibility, are you eligible or not? We will put it over there, right? So we are launching the module very soon. You will get we will provide you the date that when we are going to start the module. So you just fill the Google form, join the WhatsApp group, and you can contact on this number also for directly. If you still are having any query related to the module, related to the eligibility criteria, you can call us, right everyone? Thank you and all the best to all of you.